call this week Puff Week. Up next on Puff Week. How's that sound, y'all? Up next on Puff Week. That sound like Dragon Ball Z? Up next on Puff Week.
Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Waiting on the opportunity and opportunist. Glass of the real, blue hunters for the field, food for the soul.
Hello. Welcome back to Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. I'm going to call this week Puff Week because it's Puff Week and we switching it up a little bit of how we doing the puff this week, right? So, my name is Shin Ray, aka Nakia Ray, and today I'm going to be doing a flat twist to the side and puff to the back. That's what I'm doing. So, let me get started. And so, spray it up. Spray it up like we've been doing. Even if you're not wearing a puff and you're wearing your hair out, you should make sure your hair has moisture in it. Always make sure it's moisturized, make sure it's not always, brittle. If it feels brittle, put something on it. I'm begging you. Anything. Put anything on it. Just put a little water in, maybe a little oil, seal it up, a little oil, and seal it up. Now I'm about to change up my oil, maybe a little bit for argan. All right, I'm gonna have it go to my left side. Do a little with the comb. And I think I want it to be like this wide. Yeah, nice, looks good. So I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. So it's the same brown. Alright. That looks good to me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on. So the brushes I use, I never use those hard brushes. I never use those little cheap brushes, them colorful cheap brushes that cost like $1. Don't use those on your hair. Don't. That you just running plastic through your hair. What are you doing? So there's different type of boar bristle brushes. This one's more on the like medium side. It still has like toughness to it, so it can brush my hair back. I have this one. It's a Diane boar finishing brush. And then I'm going to add a tiny bit of gel. So today I'm using the Eco Style Gel with Argan Oil. Bam. I'm using a dab, just a dab. So right here, and mostly in my edge area. And then a little in dab. And that is all the gel I'm using. Take a little bit of my brush. You know what? Instead, I might do my edges today with the gel. So now I'm gonna do a flat twist. So you wanna take a small section, split it in two, twist over, and you just start grabbing here like it's a twist. I like doing mine as close to the edge as possible. is my preference. Really, I can go really fast. But that, do it look like I'm sped up? Do it look like I'm sped up? Do it look like I'm sped up though? So here's my flat twist. It'll poof up a little, get more defined. My hair is long, so I'll just take it back and want to tuck it. Say you have shorter hair, you can't tuck it. Just take a bobby pin and get it as back as possible. And I slide it through and I hide it. And that's it. Nice little flat twist. You see how it is starting to define. And then really quickly. That's what I look like I'm about to go do. Wait a couple minutes. Get it off. Oh, who did this? Okay, here we go. It's gonna go pop, 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 slowly, slowly. Hey, patient rabbit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Peace, Love, and Kel Greens. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. Come on, this is a weekly thing, y'all. Getting content every week about your hair every week. Getting content every week about your hair every week. How? Peace and love, y'all.